You're welcome to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Looking at the problem, we are to simplify 7 into 7x plus 6 module 8. So first thing we do is we open the bracket. If we open the bracket, 7 times 3x will give us 21x. 7 times 6 is 42. All of this in module 8. So what do? You can see that 21 is greater than the module in question here. 42 is also greater than the module in question here. The module is module 8. Module 8 is 0 to 7. So what do? We have to divide each of the term by 8. So 21 divided by 8, what are we going to have? We are going to have 2 remainder, that is 2x, remainder how many? Remainder 5. 42 divided by 8, we are going to have 5 remainder 2. And when we talk about module, it is the remainder that we will use as our final answer. So on that note, 2x remainder 5, we will now make use of the remainder 5. We will say 5x plus, now for this case, when we divide 42 divided by 8, that gave us 5 remainder 2. We will now use the remainder, which is 2. So all of this module 8. Now this is our final answer. Thanks for watching and God